What if I told you that a single trade could make you $20,000? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I spotted, executed, and managed a high-probability trade using a simple yet powerful strategy. Stick around till the end to see how I secured massive profits while keeping my risk low. On January 10th, I identified a textbook triangle pattern forming on the chart. This is one of my favorite patterns because it signals a potential breakout. But as always, I don't jump in blindly. I wait for a clear confirmation before entering the trade. Once I got the confirmation I was waiting for, I entered the trade at 26.80 with a stop loss set at 26.50. This gave me a tight risk-to-reward ratio, ensuring that if the trade went against me, my losses would be minimal. My first target was 2,720, and once the price hit this level, I booked some profits and moved my stop loss to break even. This is a crucial step because now, even if the market reverses, I won't lose any money on this trade. The trade continued in my favor, reaching my second target at 27.80, which was a solid 1,000 pips in profit. At this point, I booked more profits and trailed my stop loss to 2,700 to protect my gains. Now, here's where patience pays off. The market kept pushing higher, and soon, it hit 28.80, securing a massive 2,000 pips profit. At this stage, I was holding a small position, and I tightened my stop loss to 27.30, allowing me to stay in the trade safely while locking in profits. Now, I'm letting the trade run with the final target set at 3,000. I've already made huge profits, so even if the market reverses, I walk away with a great win. This is how I let my winners run while minimizing my risk. So, what are the key takeaways from this trade? First, always wait for a clear confirmation before entering. Second, use trailing stop losses to lock in profits. And third, let your winning trades run while managing risk properly. This trade was a perfect example of how strategy and patience can lead to massive gains. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more trading content, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest trade you've ever made? See you in the next video. Happy trading!